What is up, my keys and queens? Today, this vlog is gonna have a lot in it. So let's just go on and get into it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Ms.Amaraj. That's AMS.AMARAJ. And it's the same for TikTok. Before we even get into it, I want to reiterate that this is a realistic vlog. It is a privilege to see me and my family behind the scenes, so tread lightly in the comments. Thanks.
Oh, it's not that big.
Yeah, it's not. It's just a it's a magnifier. They did get us.
Happy Charter Day to us. We are the hardest dance organization on campus. We've been there for 20 years.
20.
And we're going to continue to do that in any way that we can. And I appreciate all y'all for being here and putting in the work and overcoming shit that anybody else would have walked out on. So I do appreciate y'all. And throughout all the bullshit, y'all held it down, and we gonna keep holding it down. And I put my trust and my faith into whoever will be here next year to get shit back on right. I love y'all.
Love you. Cheers.
The next toast gotta be at the next location. Are we going? Wait, I thought we were going somewhere else.
We are to El Johnson Valor.
Yeah.
This is my big.
Yeah, she got the big bitch. The dirt on my chucks is not decoration. The dirt on my chucks came from my shows. The dirt from my chucks came from hard work, blood, sweat, and tears.
Period.
How many shows did you do? Are they active?
Yeah.
I'm going to shop. Wow. What's going on? Wait, what? It's like so much going on. Happy Charter Day! It's Julie.
What's tea, y'all? It's the biggest juice.
Wait, are we not doing the tower?
Y'all order?
Are we not doing the tower? Yeah.
I order my food.
We don't have tower.
Oh, y'all ain't got no towel. Wait. So, this our cousin.
With the cousins, you know, I ain't with that, what they in, but
She and the other one.
she and our cousin Uri.
She our cousin.
Yes. What you did, Frost?
Our cousin has an outfit, so we'll see Incorporated.
Yeah. 408.
This is my friend. This is my bag. And yeah. It's just, what else? What more do you need to know? Honestly, I think that's enough. Ooh. Pharrell trying to take me up.
Pharrell finally got here. This the back of the line.
The tail of the line.
The tail of that weak ass hoe.
Second style juicy.
We finna share that.
Juicy crab. Juicy crab. Juicy crab. Juicy crab.
Second stop, juicy crab. Wait, so everybody is?
What's up?
And we turn your camera. I'll make a bitch turn their phone.
Oh. I thought you said, what? You know how she give it up? She gave it up. We sharing the bag because like
Juicy now.
I don't want to eat all that. And yeah.
You said 7.1.
Dang. Thank you. A real funny bless you when you sneeze. Thank you, Fuzzy. Oh my god. That's why you my favorite cousin.
For number one.
You eat the wonderful.
Yeah, I'm eating. What do you want me? I'm eating. I'm gonna get down. And I got makeup in my eye. I can't see y'all. What's up, babe? I'm gonna start answering the phone like that. What's up, babe? I should ask for more potatoes. I love potatoes.
I should have said no corn and potatoes.
Yeah.
Because it's really fucked the corn.
I know this gonna sound so cliche, but I love seafood. Like, I was busting down, busting down.
Wait.
You gotta be in your zone. Everybody,
Yeah. Even on my charter day, I have to get my freaking ice cream cone.
As soon as it get hot outside, I be on them ice cream cones so bad.
It's just too much going on right now. Like, it's too much going on right now. I'm trying to do this dance video. It's a lot. Girl, don't hit me. Like, bro. This hoe trying to hit me and shit. Like,
For real, it's so dramatic. He's literally standing on the curb. Nobody was finna hit him.
yeah.
We are shooting a mini music video for Instagram for our 20th year because I don't have no recent videos of me dancing and it's the 20th year and I had to post for the 20th year. Like, I got on my uncle shirt because the shirt I had on earlier was not dancing approved. It's not approved to dancing because the breasts, I know that's not a real word. I know that's not a real word. The breasts don't want to stay up. So this is what I'm dancing in for the video.
That's how you like to see it.
That's how you like to see it. Roof on right here. Okay.
Should we go down?
Should we come down the stairs?
Should we go down the stairs and cross down here? Gotta be seat like if y'all don't look silly.
We gonna play with the camera? Is what you
So
saying?
you like wop, wop,
And y'all cross down here.
Are you even a dancer for real if you don't make noises for every movement?
Alright, I just want
Practice to y'all. Y'all do?
For real, trying to get me to use my short legs to skip a step. Please. Be for real.
I'm just gonna start right here. Like,
Y'all not gonna be able to tell why we dancing because I dance extra big whenever I'm next to for real. But there's an extreme height difference.
okay. Damn!
And I know she kicked early as fuck.
Bruh, cause I'm trying to dance with you. Every time I try to dance with you,
No.
I fucked up. And I'm like,
I know.
Let me explain. So you know when you dance with somebody bigger than you, it look like going faster, but really y'all going at the same pace. But that's not how it look if you next to them.
That's T. I like that. I like
Let me see that, bro. I know we eating
oh
like.
my God. It be like, I be feeling like you be going after me, so I be trying to, well, oh my God. You just bigger than me. Probably. I just need to stop looking at you.
Little fun fact, my organization was the first to do a show on the Acadome stairs. So yeah, that's why we at the stairs.
What?
I'm not gonna give it up. I kept going.
What part?
One more time.
Woo, child. I know my butt out. I just know it.
Yeah, I had no intentions on dancing in high-waisted jean shorts. Like, what? We literally decided to do a dance video, like, on the spot. I kid you not. And why is Pharrell big back laying on the ground? You know it's no air down there. Like, get up. You can't be that tired. You the one want to wear all them clothes.
Like that one?
This your home? Oh, yeah.
Like that one?
I think I like the one before that better.
Yeah. I can't edit them together. Pick out the best parts. Just airdrop it to me when we get to the house.
Hey y'all, hold on, fist up out. Papa / Mama, all the above. I need to get some light. Hold on, y'all. Give me a second. Out here for the 20th year. Hey, Tama.
Jordan been working on her ATL accent, child.
We got the pool out here, right? And then we got the house over here. We got our neighbors. But we met our neighbors. Go inside. Everybody say happy charter day. We got
Happy
Josh
Charter
here.
Day.
Happy Charter Day.
That did not sound happy. That did not sound
I'm sorry. Happy Charter Day. You feel what I'm saying?
Right. Oh, my bad. I'm Aria.
Happy Charter Day.
It was coming. You just gotta wait on it.
My bad.
What's up?
Hey. This my sister. Hey. Then you got Naya. There you go.
Yeah, Naya Better Fish, Madam Press, VP.
And you know, we ain't got Mila. We ain't got Mila right now, but Mila's second VP. Try my beans.
If y'all don't remember nothing else, remember these.
Y'all ever did a taste tester? I eat.
More sugar. Brown sugar, not regular sugar. Yeah.
Okay, y'all. You literally it's a baby. Just like a horseshoe.
Original BBG bitch, hello.
Ooh, hey, what you doing with all that? Let me touch it. Oh, that kind of shit right
They
there.
was over there having dance videos and junk. That just was too funny. I just couldn't even get a video though, because I ain't have
What up? But since y'all you should be more specific. At least say my name or something.
Yeah, shout out to the crowd.
What up? My name is Simone. Call me the least.
You been taking pictures.
I guess burn her generation.
26 deadly snakes. Mwah.
Big redemption. Hello. The biggest 50 or Weather Channel.
Oh, they are.
Period. Bomb spot.
But we is the real top 10.
We're going.
Started with 10, ended with 10. I don't want to hear none of that other shit. Alright.
I just want to know where did Kaya come from? Like,
What we said?
It's on 59, but
This my big.
it's 77 in here.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. And also follow me on Instagram at Miss.AmariaJ. That's at ms.amariaj. And it's the same for TikTok. Stay blessed.